This tale is going to be about an apple, the apple of the fairest, Te Caliste, to the fairest. This tale is about the golden apple of discord. One day in the morning, there was a wedding of a human king and a sea nymph. The wedding of King Peleus, son of Icos, and Thetis, the mother of Achilles, the Greek army. All of them are happy and too much excited on the event. They are totally prepared in that morning. Then, ceremony started in Thessaly.
King Peleus, do you accept that this will be your wife?
Yes, Lord of the Sky, I do.
How about you, Thetis?
Lord of the Sky, I will accept King Peleus to be her husband. Yes, I do.
Gods and goddesses are milling around with one another and drinking. They are basically doing the usual things that happen at a formal party. Peleus and Thetis are awkwardly standing together near the center, talking in the scene of their wedding reception when Zeus and Hera entered.
Congratulations, married couple, Peleus, Thetis. I do hope that marriage goes to well and that you two will have a new life as a married couple. Bound together as your loyalty, and fidelity as one of the power of your marriage. Sweet couple.
Thank you, Lord
Thank
of
you,
the
Lord.
Sky.
Yes, of course it is. As the goddess of marriage, it would be my pleasure to look between the two of you. I do hope that you, Peleus, will not even dare cheat on your loved one, like someone you. Take this on your mind. I'm the goddess of marriage.
The wedding ceremony continued.
Hermes! Yes, Lord of the Sky. If Ares will be here, and the wedding ceremony is still not yet done, I want you to look Ares not to pass the door. Stop her! She was the escort of this ceremony. Yes, Lord of the Sky, I will look for her.
King Peleus and the sea nymph did not invite me on their wedding. How can I send them my best wedding gift? Why all the gods and goddesses are there except me? How they can do that to me? I am a god too.
But Ares came to the ceremony even she was not invited.
Stop, Ares. You cannot pass the door, you cannot. You are discord, a discord of wedding of King Peleus and his wife.
Me? At this court? How can you say that to me, Hermes? Who instructed that to you? How could you?
My father, rule that! You're not allowed to be here. You're a chaos and both of misery in the wedding.
Why, Hermes? What make you think I will do such a thing? I just came here to deliver this gift.
Get out, Ares. I said get out. Go away.
Yes, I will leave.
Ares felt so much insulted on what Zeus ordered that she cannot pass by to oversee the wedding and gave her gift. She stopped and threw the apple inscribed the word Te Caliste from the door before she left.
But I'm sure that they will not aim to peace because of the golden apple they be quarreled. The golden apple seek the fairest among the three. Goddess Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite. Good luck to them.
The three goddesses was fighting bitterly over the golden apple.
The golden apple belongs to me because I'm Aphrodite, goddess of love and beauty.
What? Such insane. The golden
king. Remember? I'm the wife.
Still one had children. Did Zeus take you seriously? Of course not, dear. So what are you trying to tell us? You're just a wife, a fool, and a nobody one. Because look at you. No have a beauty like me. Such plain goddess. And you, Athena. What makes you think that can just come out here and claim to be better than I? No man whose slightest bit of interest in you. Last I checked, you were single and still a virgin.
Do you mean to say that touring around makes one beautiful? That's the meaning of beauty to you? This great Aphrodite? Goddess!
One knows that the true beauty doesn't lie in the number of men one thinks with. Rather, in one's loyalty, one's fidelity, and commitment are the real measurement of one's beauty.
Will you shut up? It's irritating, you know. What's fair as you and me? I know why Zeus cheat on you. Because you're another wife.
Then, if both of you get out, I'm the fairest.
Three goddess, that's enough! We are not uncivilized here. Let's settle in formal one. No battling, no fighting, or anyone dying here, we goddesses!
Then, if that is what you want, dear husband, why don't you choose among us who is the fairest?
Okay, my king, choose to us.
Yes, you better choose now who among us. It's me, my king.
Enough! I refuse to be the judge of beauty pageant, and thus, I declare Prince Paris of Troy, of all mortal men, should be the one who decide and deserves that golden apple. So Hermes. Yes, Lord of the Sky. Lead them to Paris. True goddess, let's go to Mount Ida.
The Prince of Troy was not aware of his ancestry. He was being raised as a shepherd of Mount Ida because of the prophecy of he would be the downfall of Troy. The goddesses tried to bribe the shepherd, so they went to Mount Ida.
Who are you?
I'm Hermes, the messenger of all gods.
And why are you here, especially with the three goddesses?
Zeus instructed me to lead the three goddesses here for you.
Zeus, my husband, ordered us to came here.
Yeah, right. You're the one who would be decided who was the fairest among us.
I am sure that Paris will choose me. So good luck to the both of you. Ha 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 ha.
Silence, you Faris. If you choose me, I offer you the wisdom, battle skills, and the greatest warriors.
My dear Paris, if you would try to choose me, I offer you political power and control of all Asia. How's that, Paris? Oh, come on, choose me.
Hera, Athena, my dear soul. But I knew that Paris chose me because I will offer the love of the most beautiful woman in the world.
Paris, choose now. Who is the fairest among them?
I choose
Aphrodite.
I told ya.
Paris gave the golden apple to Aphrodite. Unfortunately, the most beautiful woman in the world was no other than Helen, the wife of King Menelaus of Sparta.
Congratulations, Miracle. Congratulations, Miracle. Peleus. Thanks. Congratulations, Miracle. And the hope that Miracle.
Ulit.
Lakas ng boses, lakas ng bilisan.
Stop, Paris. You cannot pass the door, you cannot.
Nawawala sa camera eh. Sige to, sige pang konti. Okay, dyan mo siya ano eh. Gawin mo siya ng, stop mo siya na hindi mo... Huwag mo nang ganunan ng camera para hindi mo siya Okay, 3. Sige, try natin ha.
Me, at this point, how can you say that to me? Constructed as you. How?
My father, rule that! You're not allowed to be here. You're a chaos and both of misery in it. That's enough! You're not as sick as you. This is family. I know, right? Zeus instructed me to live.
Two hours later.